It's road trip time. My friend of mine that's working on my truck actually found a Dodge frame, a 97 Dodge frame that actually had a Cummins engine, a 12 valve Cummins in it. So because we haven't fabricated the motor mounts yet, we're gonna go up and check these out. He says from the pictures, they look like they're intact and look good. So up the hill we go for a road trip. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. Prepare that for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel, first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing. If you do, ring that bell down there so you are notified when the videos do come out. Yes, I should say my friend texted me this morning. He found a 97 Dodge frame that had a 12 valve Cummins in it, and the frame still has the motor mounts attached, so that's huge for me. We were going to fabricate the motor mounts for my frame, but if I could get these, at least they'll mount to the motor, and all I have to do is somehow fabricate something, because I don't know the width difference between a Dodge frame and a Chevy frame. We'll figure that out, but at least I have the original motor mounts from the frame to the engine, so now that's huge. We're going to go up. It's about an hour and a half drive from my house up in the high desert. We're going to go up there, we're going to cut them out. Yeah, this is huge. This would have cost me a lot more to have my friend fabricate all this. We were, kind of mocking them, kind of getting ready. So this is a great benefit to have the original motor mounts mount to that engine. That's huge. And another little side note, I know what color I'm going to paint my truck. It is going to be a gray. I don't know if it's going to be the Toyota gray. I don't know if it's going to be like the Mini Cooper gray. There's a couple of different grays in that class right there. It's about where I want it, but I'm also considering a rare color, a Laguna gray, that was very limited run on a 71 or 72 or 73, I forget what year, Corvette. I like the gray, but I haven't seen one in the sun yet, so I'm still debating that. If I like it when I see one in the sun, if I like the gray, I may go with that because that is a more rare color. Because I like something that's a little bit different. So we'll see. So I'm getting off. I'm going to head to my friend's house. I actually got my oxy-acetylene tanks sitting in the back of my truck. I don't have a truck. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my truck running. So we'll see what happens. Thank you again for watching, so stay tuned. We're going to continue this when I get up the mountain. It is windy up here, boy. I'm telling you, we're up in Hesperia. Whew. Going to get some gas. We're going to head over. The guy's house is just down the street here. We're going to go down there and hopefully it's okay. Cut them out. And hey, we got another step closer to getting this truck, at least getting the engine mounted in. So that's my next update. We already got up the hill. We're here. We're going to get some gas. Go over and going to get this stuff cut out. And then we'll get back to you when we start cutting them out. forgot to do a lot of the filming, unfortunately. So when we got back to the house, we checked it. It looks like it's going to line up really nice. So all I can say is subscribe, stay tuned, because I'm going to be putting out a video probably another week or so. I'm going to go over there and check it out, and I'll film it, see how close it's going to get. It looks like it's going to fit very, very nicely. This is huge for me. This week we got off and on rain, so I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. But this was a good adventure, a good thing for a Sunday. It was completely unplanned, and I'm not buying into all that hype and hysteria on the corona crap. I don't care. Life is to be lived, not sheltered. So you're not going to stop me from going out and enjoying my life. And if I was staying because I was afraid about this, I could have lost out on a good opportunity. So take that for what you will. So I am on my way home. I'm going to relax and get this video out as soon as I can. So thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, take back, check. Don't let the hysteria prevent you from living. Life is to be lived. See you next video.